Dakar has a population of 2 million people.
Doing that if I'm alone.
Dakar is the capital of Senegal and the largest city of Senegal.
To the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biting your
The population of Senegal is 17 million people.
Oh, I really should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs.